this is Energetic Waist Beads, and I'm here to show you how to use crimp beads. So crimp beads are used when you're working with beading wire. This is like a flexible beading wire, and I would use the crimp beads to secure my waist beads. So there's two tools that you can use. There is this one. If you look close, it has two spaces, one where you will put your bead to crimp it down, and then the other one you'll use to fold it over. This one is my favorite tool because it has this needle nose, and it has actually 3 notches, so you could crimp different sizes. So I'm going to show you on both of them. We're going to start with this one first. So after you pick up your crimp, and the size of the crimps do matter depending on what beading wire you're using. So if you need help with that, I would say watch the beading wire video to help you decide which one you're going to use. I have my beading wire right here. I'm going to use my crimp. I'm going to feed that through. Then I have my lobster claw. I am going to double it back and feed it back through. And you want to make sure that the wires are not crossing, right? So pull this down a little bit and make sure it has some wiggle room for your clasp. And you're going to take your crimping tool. We're going to use this first one right here. Crimp it down. That's the first one. So you see how it puts like a little dent in it. Then we're going to come back to this first notch and close it. And that is how you use crimp beads. If you made it this far, let's keep on watching. I'm going to show you how to secure your waist bead using the other tool. And if you need jewelry making supplies, check out my beaders list 2.0. I have a whole list of clickable links where you can shop on. So I'm going to go a little bit faster. I'm going to string some, and then I'm going to come back and show you how I close it using this tool. Strung our beads, we're going to go ahead and secure our project. I'm going to go ahead and string my crimp tube, crimp bead, whatever you want to call it. I'm going to use a jump ring. And I'm using this tool this time. So we're going to go ahead and double it back. After you put your jump ring, you got your crimp bead. You're gonna grab your tool, pull it so it's a little tight. You have some space for your jump ring, and we're gonna use this first notch right here. Okay, crimp down. See, it creates that little divot. We're going to use a second notch and fold it over. And that's how you secure it. So you're going to have some excess. Just take your cutters, cut it so it is flush and it doesn't poke. And we're done. So that is how you can secure your waist beads using crimp beads and crimp tools. And these are the two tools that we use to crimp them, and also your wire cutters. All right, thanks for watching, guys.